Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill the detergent tank on your DREAME Aqua10 roller. In order to do it, you need to open the door right here. To do it, hold it on the bottom and pull it forward. Now you'll see the detergent tank on the left side. Pull it forward, then you can open this latch right here. Fill it in with detergent and close it. It is recommended that you only use the official detergent from DREAME. That's what it says here, to prevent malfunction of the device. Then you can close it like that and close the door. And that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.